good afternoon, or whatever time it is for you guys are watching this video. And everyone, in today's video, I got some exciting things for the Ninja 650. As you guys can see, I'm wearing the beautiful beam here. It is raining, and today's currently Saturday, and it's supposed to be like this weather all next week. It's not a single day of not rain until like Thursday. So I got like 5 days of just can't ride. So I was like, you know what? Let me do some things to the 650. So everybody, if you can see over here, my buddy Liam with his MT-09, he actually just went ahead and did his own oil change slash break-in service, whatever you want to call it, on his MT-09 that he just got. So he did that, and I was like, you know, I could pay the dealer an enormous amount of money for a break-in service, when in reality, it's just an oil change and some other tweaking of the bike. So guys, the main things I really saw in the owner's manual, as well as other people's videos of the break-in service on these bikes, besides the oil change, realistically, right here, we just gotta dial in our idle control valve, and obviously just do some overall checks, make sure there's no leaks, no loose nuts, bolts, you name it. And that's it. What I got here from our local dealership, shout out Thrill Point Motorsports. We got 2 quarts here of 10W40 synthetic oil for the Ninja 650. Now on some more exciting news. Look what we have delivered here, guys. We have the Akrapovic full catback system, or well, I'm saying catback, I'm just saying catback for cars, but it's a header back system. It's a full system for the Ninja 650. So what we got in here is some hardware. I believe this is just a ultra sensor extension harness of some sort. We got the actual header pipes here. And then of course, everybody, last but not least, we got the actual muffler itself. Plop this down. Nice Akrapovic logo. Guys, I'm so excited to install this thing. You have no idea. Everyone, here you can see there's actually a baffle in there, which we already know. I'm definitely gonna take that out. So we got the whole system here. So we're basically gonna do our break-in service because we're pretty much right at 600 miles. So we do break-in service, install the exhaust, and then should be either delivered today or Monday, but it's going to be my high flow air filter. And then I also just purchased a tune from Moore Mafia, which what I need to do is, well, I need to get underneath this gas tank. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime, at least, is just get the exhaust on, because Akrapovic does state, at least for this exhaust, that you don't need a tune for this exhaust. It's just obviously one of those things that's like, you want the bike to perform its best, so you get a tune, but it's not needed. I'm also gonna go ahead and clean my chain as well. Just do it all while we're, you know, doing the service, and have it put up on stand over there. Yeah, overall, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this process. I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do first is I'm gonna start just worrying about the oil change first. Of course, that's most important on the break-in period. And then we'll do the chain cleaning, we'll do the exhaust, we'll tune up the idle control valve, but let's get to it. All right, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do first, at least to start with, well, besides the exhaust as well, the oil change. On both sides are this little, I believe this is a 4 mil Allen or hex each side, and then over here in the front there's a little grommet, and underneath there's a little grommet you got to pull to separate the fairings. All right, anyway, so I went ahead and got the fairings loose. Now what I'm gonna do here, until I get my bike trevor here to help with this stand, because this stand's all whack and that's all we have for the oil change. I'm just gonna get started getting some of these header bolts loose for the exhaust, and let's get moving. All right, so we got the stock exhaust out. That bitch is heavy as hell. But here are the headers for the Akrapovic. There's the muffler. Yeah. Wait, what does your shirt say? Wait, I'm going. That's crazy. Yes, sir. But yeah, Murdered MT-09 in the building. He's helping me. He used to have a 650, so he's helping me with this. But let's get her done.
All right, let's do it. Cut it off or no?
All right, guys. So it's the next day, and a couple Harbor Freight trips later, we had to get an extractor bolt bit set, as well as this kind of weld cutter, because I covered it now, but to get that baffle out, holy shit, you guys. But in the meantime, we went ahead and got the headers on for the Akrapovic exhaust. You can see there, it comes mostly pre-assembled, so it's really straightforward. The only thing I gotta do now is put the bracket on top of this and pretty much get the muffler on, and we're good. So when we went ahead and finished my oil change, as you can see, we were in the bike for a little bit, And it looks like we're right in between those lines, so we are good to go as far as oil goes. A lot has changed, as you might be able to see from when I first started pulling this apart, but it got to a point where, honestly, not gonna lie, I got a little frustrated, so I ended up just forgetting about filming and just getting it done. So everyone, a couple updates. I got the full Akrapovic Exhaust on. I also went ahead and got my ECU back from Chris Moore, or Moore Mafia Tuning. So that's plugged in, all good to go. And then I ended up getting a brake light modulator. If you guys don't know what that is, basically just makes your tail light flash when you hit the brakes. Definitely a lot safer for vehicles to see you. And I also got the tail fender here, delete kit. Got my oil service done, so that's all good to go. But yeah, everybody, we're gonna go ahead and hop on the bike, and we're gonna get a first cold start here now. All right, let's hear it.
Sounds so good, y'all. Sounds so good. We're gonna go ahead and jump to the Insta 360, and I'll catch you guys on the road.
And my gloves on. And we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. Let me go ahead and flip these mirrors up so I can see maybe a little bit. Oh, y'all, the pops on this is crazy. Oh yeah, this thing sounds fucking sick. Oh, and the tune is just so much better. The fuel cell decut, or fuel decut, whatever the hell, that was tuned out. Don't have as much engine braking anymore, which, perfect, y'all. Can this person fucking drive their fucking car? Oh my god, the crackles are just fucking perfect on this thing. They're not too aggressive, they're not too light. They're like perfect. Makes that parallel twin sound nice and fucking loud, bro. Oh, there's a puppy doggos, the puppy doggos! Go ahead and hop on the highway real quick, y'all. I'm so hype, I'm so hype. I can actually hear the bike now. And other people can hear me, and that's a good thing. A lot of people think people want loud exhaust on their bike just because it sounds good, which honestly, fair point. It does sound good. But the good thing is people can hear you. That is important. When you're riding a motorcycle, you want people to be able not just to see you, but hear you. Because the thing is, they might not see you all the time, but if they hear you, they'll look twice. That's my excuse. I tell the officer when I get pulled over for an exhaust ticket. That was a cop, bro. I hope you don't get me for that exhaust. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, I did turn it on before recording, and dude, the flames this thing was shooting is insane. If I get a POV or a third-person POV, like a roller, I'll make sure to show you guys, but man, the thing sounds so nice. I will say my balls are hurting right now, though. I smashed my balls. Also, they changed my fan temp to turn on at 194 now. Oh man, on the Harley with it though. Bro, that parallel twin rumble is just amazing. Gramps was staring, bro. I'm done. Hey, while I'm pumping this gas, guys, funny story. In my car the other day, the fuel pump didn't stop and spilled gas all over sheets. So I'll put a photo or a video of it up on screen now, but that was crazy. Coming from a car world where exhausts are so expensive, dude, $1,000 for an exhaust, to me, this sounds cheap as fuck, but even then, man, this thing is so worth it. Yeah, are there eBay exhausts out there that might do the same thing? Sure. But honestly, y'all, I'd fork up the cash, man. I need to get over. Let the bike cool down a little bit with some highway speeds. It's probably Mother's Day tomorrow. Hopefully traffic ain't too crazy. Sounds so much better. Sounds like it can free flow right now. Yeah, I also got the air filter installed, the DNA high flow air filter. That right there also added a couple horsepower, give or take. But yeah, also all the links I used in today's video for the tune, or, you know, the tune, exhaust, intake, all that, I'm gonna link in the description below, guys. But I'm so happy right now, so happy. Because I did my break-in period a little bit earlier than I should have, I'm still not gonna beat on it yet. I'm also gonna do another oil change at about 1,000 miles. You know, reason that is since I did my oil change at about 500 miles instead of 600 miles. You know, I want to make sure I just be safe about it, because I'm a little impatient, as y'all can tell. But yeah, damn, what the fuck happened there? Ah, Shawty was looking. I'm dead, bro. Why is she staring at me? Bro, why are you dead staring, bro? Oh my god. I have a girlfriend. Leave me alone. Oh, what in the hell just happened? And they always say, y'all, the moment you get a bike, and everyone looks, everyone and their mama. Balls are fucking killing me right now. I don't know why. I think I smashed them against my fucking fuel tank. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here. Enjoying the Akrapovic Exhaust so much, y'all. If you want to get one for yourself, link in the description below. I bought it off Revzilla. But man, this definitely changes the sound of your bike tenfold. Hey everybody, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.